Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola One 5G Ace device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this phone. So firstly, let's start with turning off all unnecessary running services. So open the control panel. Here you will see your fast actions, and here you have mobile data and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and location services. We have location services here, so I need to add it to my panel. Okay, so there are services. These services are running and constantly searching for their networks. Wi-Fi for Wi-Fi networks, mobile data for GSM, for 5G, for 3G, 4G, for LTE, Bluetooth, searching for nearby Bluetooth devices, and location services is searching for GPRS signal. So you need to disable these services if you don't need it right now. So if you are using Wi-Fi, just disable mobile network. Mobile data. If you are using mobile data, disable Wi-Fi. If you don't use Bluetooth right now, if you are not translating the music to your headphones, for example, or speaker, so just disable the Bluetooth. It will improve your battery life. Okay, so the next step to improve battery life is to reduce the screen brightness. So just reduce screen brightness. And of course you have battery saver mode. So just click and hold on battery saver in your control panel, and here you will see battery saver. So just click on it and click turn on now. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.